friends, Running Kimono here. Walgreens preview for the week of May the 31st to June the 6th. Yes, we are in that first week of June, and in celebration we have one freebie in this ad, and that is always welcome for all of us super savers over at Walgreens. If you could do me a huge kindness, guys, and please give this video a big enthusiastic giant thumbs up or hit the hype button, I would be so grateful. Really helps out the channel and the video if you could do both or just one. Thank you so much in advance. Big week of boosters. The 15 back when you spend 45 is online only on P&G products, which is always a favorite around here. We have a 10 back on the Always Discreet when you spend 40, and then a 10 back when you spend 20 on Kenvu. We had that a couple weeks ago, and we will investigate that one again. And again, as I was stating, this one, spend 45 to earn back 15, is probably going to stack with the Always one as well. And this is just always one that we enjoy. In store, it's going to be a spend 35 to earn back 10. You have more control, though, doing it curbside. Please treat this video as a preview. All of the digital coupons and the full ad will be published on the app on Sunday the 31st around 4 a.m. Eastern Time. If you're going to come here at midnight and say, hey, where's all this stuff? 4 a.m. Eastern Time. You have to wait. Okay, so the first freebie that we have is the Febreze plug for $3.50. We're going to get a $3.50 digital coupon, zeroing this out to free, which is always welcome and a lovely gesture. So we're going to have to load that coupon first thing on Sunday morning and see if it's tracking with the spend 45 to earn back 15. Also interesting, we're going to have to toss it on the back burner, a $2 digital on probably the Mr. Clean Magic Erasers and the cleaner, or just the Mr. Clean, dropping these products down to $3.99. $4.99 for these wonderful laundry products. It's usually never part of the spend 45 to earn back 15. But not a bad little deal, because usually we get dollar digitals when you mix and match these P&G laundry care. So 4 of them would be $19.96. You'll have to go in and load one for the pods, the liquids, the bounce dryer sheets, and probably a Downy product. $4 melting off there. You'll pay $15.96, get back a $5 register reward, making it $10.96 for the 4 or $2.74 per product. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster, but neither of my accounts have a booster, so I think it's going to be a non-booster week. This deal, I'm just going to kind of guess at a deal that might happen, and if it doesn't happen the way that I'm going to explain, it's a hard pass. If we do get that 8 off of 2 for both the men and the women's, you would grab 2 ladies and 2 men's deodorants for $29.37. Subtracting 2 $8 coupons, that would be $16 melting off. You would pay $13.37, get back a $4 register reward, making it $9.37 for the 4 or $2.34 per. Check if your Fetch rebate app might have something for this. Mine doesn't, but yours might. You're doing this deal with no booster? Yes, you can use Walgreens cash. We need that second 8 off of 2 coupon, or this is a no-go, but possibly a deal if we get both. So this deal is back. It was there a couple weeks ago, and it's back to spend $20 to get back a $10 Kenvu register reward. And it's buy one, get one 50% off on the Listerine. The smaller 500 milliliters is the one that we're going to look for this one. Fetch also has 1,100 points back when you spend 13. So we'll have to keep an eye out for that. Looking at the math for this one, for those 500 ml Listerines is $22.47. They might change the price on us on Sunday, but the price right now would be $22.47 on a BOGO 50% off. Subtracting the $2 manufacturer, $20.47, get back a $10 register reward, photograph your receipt for 1,100 points back from Fetch. It makes it $9.37 for the 4 or $2.34 per. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. Now, if that deal doesn't have your interest, maybe this one will, on the Neutrogena makeup wipes for $7.49. Again, if they change the prices around, we'll have to pay attention on Sunday if that happens. Grabbing 4 of these and a free makeup bag, if your store has that display still, it would be $22.47. Buy 2, get 1 for free. That's how I'm getting the math. You're getting back a $10 register reward, making it $12.47 for the 5 items, or $2.49 per. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. If you remember earlier in the month, we had this similar promotion of spend 20 to earn back 10. And if your store has this display, you're also getting a free makeup bag when you buy 2 of these products with the buy 2 get 1 free, plus the free makeup bag, which is on that top rack. If your store is sold out of these, you will not get the free makeup bag. The Brawny Quilted Northerner Angel Soft at $6.99 with a $3 reward when you buy 2. Typically, when this promotion comes around, we have dollar coupons on an assortment, so you'd have to grab a quilted and an Angel Soft or a quilted and a Brawny for $13.98 at $6.99 each times 2. That's how I'm getting the math. Subtracting, say, $2 of coupons, and that's just an estimate, you would pay $11.98, get back a $3 register reward, making it $8.98 for the 2 or $4.49 per unit. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. And if you remember last week, we had a heck of a deal on the Colgate, the fancier line, that are $6 a pop. Buy 2, get back a $5 register reward with a 6 off of 2 coupon. This deal is from the week previous, so if you did it, sorry, you can't do it twice unless they give you a new coupon, which I don't think they will. Grabbing 2 of these fancies, it's $12. Subtracting our coupon, you're going to pay $6. Get back a $5 register reward, making it $1 for 2 or 50 cents per. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. The absolute week to stock up on cheap razors. Buy one, get one 50% off on the Venus and Gillette disposables. $5 reward when you spend $15. I'm assuming we're going to get a 3 off the men and a 3 off the women's. So grabbing on a more expensive men's and a cheaper ladies one, that's $15.88, BOGO 50% off. Subtracting $6 in digitals, 2 $3 coupons, you will pay $9.88. Get back a $5 register reward, making it $4.88 for the 2 or $2.44 per. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. The fancier $9.99 Gillette and Venus razors, $6 reward when you buy 2, and I'm assuming that'll be a 5 off of 2 coupon. Grabbing 2 of them, it would be $19.98. Subtracting that coupon, you're going to pay $14.98. Get back a $6 register reward. The final price point here is $8.98 for the 2 or $4.49 per razor. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. But if you really wanted to stack up on fancier razors or the disposables, this is the week to do it because we have so many deals. You could throw in other register rewards from other deals into this to get a lesser out-of-pocket as well. This larger Persil has been on clearance. I think it is $8.99 at my store. $3 reward. I think it's when you buy 1. I don't see a digital coupon on the preview, but say grabbing 1 of these for $8.99, if your store might have it in stock and it is on clearance and it's that larger one, you would get back a $3 register reward, making it $5.99 for a bottle that's usually $13-14. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. Let's very quickly go through some honorable mentions. You remember last week when I was like, we barely get deals on Dialed body wash ever. And this is just to show you, the week previous, we were getting it for $1.16 per unit. So this is going to be around for a while. So if you didn't pounce on that deal, yeah, I'm just letting you guys know it doesn't really happen often. The L'Oreal Elvive, we're going to get a 3 off of 2 manufacturer. What will the store coupon be for this to get it cheaper? We'll definitely have to keep an eye out for this little friend because I know a lot of you love the L'Oreal Elvive line, myself included. The Pantene, up to $15 off. What is that? It says Herbal Essence or Pantene. What is that? Is that a typo or is that going to be magic in a bottle? That's definitely one you have to throw on the back burner and keep an eye out for because it might get really amazing. We also have the buy one get one free on Haagen-Dazs, Nestle, Oreo ice cream, frozen treats. Probably an Oreo girly back in my prime. That just sounds absolutely nice on a 90-degree day. And the final honorable mention is up to 75% off on these wood panels. You can do this up till the 3rd. With a lot of graduations taking place or around the corner, they might even give us a free one. We'll have to wait and see, but this is the cheapest print of the week. That's it for this video. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.